First of all, today I measured a little camp oven I had to see if it would fit in my pizza oven. And it did. Beauty. So then I got the starter going on the windowsill. I figured that was the warmest place this morning. Then, as I don't have a little round banneton yet, I thought, what if I could prove it in this little cake tin that I've got? So I lined it with baking paper and checked again that it would fit inside the camp oven, which it did. And then, what did I do? Then I opened the jar of starter, which almost exploded. It had risen so much. And it really is the secret. The starter is the secret to a good bread. I poured it into a cup measurement over the bowl of flour. This is how alive it was, look. Oh my gosh, light, fluffy. Then I added the water, which was 1 3/4 in my recipe. And then what did I do then? Then I started mixing it with the Dutch whisk, it's called, which works really well. No more sticky fingers. Oh, you gotta love that. Mixed that, covered it, and twice over the next 4 hours, I used the whisk again to lift it up, fold it, and tuck it back in. And the fire was going, so I thought, that might be too much dough. So I'll use some and make some pizzas. And they were so good. I made them on the rack inside the actual firebox. Okay, and then the bread came out. Well, it did stick trying to get it out of the little tin, but that wasn't so bad. It worked well, actually, when all's said and done.